They say that the ultimate goal is to win, and that is true. But with winning comes sacrifices, struggles, and commitment, especially if you're an athlete. Ten years ago, nagsimula ako mag-triathlon. Alam ko na magiging mahirap ang training, pero hindi ko in-expect na magiging mas mahirap pa pala to. Talagang na-challenge ako, physically, mentally, emotionally. Nagtiyaga ako at talagang nag-commit ako sa mga trainings, and I must say, it paid off. But 3 years after, naramdaman ko na kailangan ko na ng extra push and energy. At doon nga na-introduce sa akin ng Max products. Talagang naramdaman ko yung pagbabago. My performance greatly improved. Celjevity's antioxidants work wonders for my immune system. My stamina got better. My recovery got faster. My body got stronger. It made me go for more. Ang lagi kong nasa isip ay ang manalo, kaya sinasapuso ko ang bawat laban. My Filipino spirit burns with passion and determination to always fight for the gold. And Max International was with me in my fight to victory. You win because you train consistently. You win because you give your all. You win because you fight to the end. Today, I am focusing on my next goal, to bring home another gold. No rough road, no current, no obstacle will stop me from achieving another milestone. I know that I can keep on going and focus my goal on winning. I am Jan Chicano and I am Max International.